much riffraff in the middle of the board. Plus, I do believe that they have come desiring violence. In that case, King's pawn takes Queen's pawn.
Very well then. Nine Fingers Marquez versus Toru Hunter. Clear the board!
Your Grace! Your Grace! Oh, thank you. I'm not used to fighting without my guild around. Can the rest of my party help me?
This would please me, but I have but one question. Shall they be fighting for thee or against thee?
Oh, for me.
Very well then. Adventurers Guild versus Adventurers Guild. Why not?
Wait, hold! What are you two doing?
Rush and vote for initiative.
Get on with it!
Cheater. I want to help. Devil! Magic missile! Get off! What? I'm helping.